Today, we're going to look at how merchandise exports have changed around the world from 1960 to 2025. Over these 6 decades, new industrial powers emerged, global trade expanded, and the balance of economic influence shifted dramatically. Let's watch how the world's biggest exporters rose, fell, and transformed the global trade map. Merchandise exports are goods sold by a country to buyers in other countries, measured in current US dollars. According to WorldBank and IMF balance of payments data, this includes physical products such as cars, machinery, electronics, oil, metals, agricultural products, and clothing. Services such as tourism, banking, and software are not included. The 1990s introduce a newly unified Europe, with Germany establishing itself as an export powerhouse. Meanwhile, the Asian tigers are rapidly industrializing, setting the stage for the biggest economic transformation in human history. The 1990s introduce a newly unified Europe, with Germany establishing itself as an export powerhouse. Meanwhile, the Asian tigers are rapidly industrializing, setting the stage for the biggest economic transformation in human history. Watch the screen closely. Following its WTO accession in 2001, China unleashes unprecedented manufacturing power. It is no longer just competing, it is rapidly overtaking every single global economy in a matter of years. In the 2010s, advanced automation, digital transformation, and the U.S. shale boom reshape global trade. The race at the top intensifies as top nations battle for tech supremacy and supply chain dominance. From the US-dominated world of 1960 to China's manufacturing hegemony today, global trade has fundamentally changed. Supply chains are now more fractured, and new economic blocs are rising. Who do you think will dominate exports by 2040? Let me know in the comments.